ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
Welcome, dear listeners. You have just tuned into our popular show, Chronicles of the Past, where we discuss important historical events that took place on the same day in history. Today is the 22nd of August, and the facts are as follows. In 1984, on this day, Mahatma Gandhi established the Natal Indian Congress in South Africa to fight against discrimination and injustice faced by the Indian community under colonial rule, a powerful beginning to his journey of non-violent resistance. Today is also celebrated as the founding of the city of Madras in 1639, when the East India Company purchased Madraspatnam, laying the foundation of one of India's major metropolitan cities. This day is also celebrated as National Senior Citizens Day in the USA, celebrated to honor the wisdom, love, and contribution of elderly citizens in society. The day is also celebrated as International Tongue Twister Day. On a lighter note, people around the world celebrate this day by sharing and trying out fun and tricky tongue twisters. Dear listeners, that's all for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. We will meet you once again with very, very interesting discussions and more interesting facts. So stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.